So here's the job we're doing today. We give these tiles a little clean up. And then we're also emptying the gutters. And this is the resin drive. So you can see some weeds growing out, particularly, well, I say weeds, moss, around the edges particularly. And this is where someone's had to go with a karcher and broke it all up. So we need to be careful how we go. Gets a bit worse as you go around here, where it's been more in shade. But yeah, it should look great once it's done. So it's now 12 o'clock. We started at 10, well, just before 10. So that's all the gutters cleared, front and back, all the downspouts checked. Now I'm going to do a pre-treatment of hypo on the resin drive, and let that sit for 15 minutes, and then we'll try rinsing it off, see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. So that's the first lot of hypo down. I don't normally do pre-treatment, but I feel like this definitely needs it. And you can see, if I can flip the camera around and maybe zoom in a little, you can see it reacting with the moss. See how this was all a dark green before, it's changed like a pale green. So hopefully it's going to make it a lot easier to clean up. Well, just gone 2:15 and that is us finished. This was pretty tricky. Some of these tiles are quite badly damaged, so I couldn't go too strong with the pressure washer there. But looking much better. Gutters are all cleaned out. And then out here, again, it's not perfect. Let me just zoom out. But much better than it was. And hopefully, the customer will be happy with that result. There we go. Job done.